How to fix Instagram cannot report account. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix Instagram cannot report account. So to fix the issue where you cannot report an account on Instagram, the first thing what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and find Instagram, and if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is, if the app is still failing to process your report, just bypass the mobile app altogether. Just log into Instagram on a computer web browser, then navigate to the profile of the account you want to report, then click the three dots next to their name and select report and follow the on-screen instructions. Now the next thing what you can do is, if you cannot access the reporting feature anywhere, you should manually report the bug to Instagram's support team. Just open your Instagram app, then tap on your profile tab at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on three-line menu at the top right corner, then scroll down to more info and support, and then tap help. Then tap report a problem. Now tap include and continue. Now describe your issue clearly, attach a screenshot of the error if possible, and hit send. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.